In this video I will show you how to get the API key for our Telegram bot. To create a Telegram bot, we should get a unique API key. We can get it in the botfather bot in Telegram. Open any device with the Telegram and find the botfather bot. Press Start in this bot. You will see a list of commands that you can use to create, edit and manage bots. Because we are on the step of creating our bot, let's create it using the new bot command. The logic of our bot will be very simple. We will send the name of the city to the bot and our bot will return the current weather. So let's call our bot as current weather bot. Okay, good. Now let's choose a username for our bot. Let's call it current weather bot. Okay, so this username is already taken, so maybe let's try current weather bot. Let's try with current weather bot. Okay, well done. The botfather gives us an unique API key. This key will be associated with our new bot. This value is secure, so don't share it with anyone, so someone can hack it. Keep this token in a safe place, because we will use it in the next tutorial.